Atyr Stock Analysis, July 2025. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Your support helps fund girls' education, so thank you for watching. Today we're diving into Atyr on Nasdaq, with data up to July 9, 2025. Atyr closed at $5.53, up 86.2% from its April low of $2.97. Let's explore the technicals, price action, and what's next for this biotech stock. Opening price context. On July 9, 2025, Atyr closed at $5.53, up 7.4% from an open of $5.15, with a high of $5.58 and a low of $5.07. Since its April low of $2.97, Atyr has surged 86.2%, fueled by strong momentum, particularly after a volume spike in early June. Is this rally losing steam, or is there more upside? Let's dig in. Trend analysis. Atyr is in a strong uptrend, trading well above its key moving averages. The 5-day SMA is $5.32, 10-day SMA at $5.23, 20-day SMA at $5.25, and 50-day SMA at $5.11. The exponential moving averages align. 5-day EMA at $5.33, 10-day EMA at $5.27, 20-day EMA at $5.14, and 50-day EMA at $4.95. This consistent climb since April reflects robust bullish sentiment, though recent consolidation is worth noting. Volatility and price action. Volatility has increased, with a 14-day ATR of 39 cents, indicating larger price swings. Volume highlights include 5.83 million shares traded on June 3, closing at $5.39, and 15.79 million shares on June 27, closing at $5.03. Support is firm at $5 to $5.15, near the 10-day SMA, with resistance at $5.58 to $5.75, the recent high. The stock's ability to recover from dips, like the June 27 drop, shows buyer resilience. Momentum indicators. Momentum remains bullish but with caution flags. The 14-day RSI at 62.96 is healthy, not yet overbought, suggesting potential for further gains. The MACD is positive, with the MACD line at 22 cents above the signal line at 26 cents, though a narrowing histogram at -0.04 hints at weakening momentum. The Atyr oscillator at 50.0, with a run up at 24.0 and a run down at 0.0, indicates recent highs but a possible pause in upward pressure. Support and resistance levels. The Bollinger Bands show the upper band at $5.56, middle band, 20-day SMA, at $5.25, and lower band at $4.95. Atyr's close at $5.53 is near the upper band, signaling potential overextension. The parabolic SCR at $4.78 supports the uptrend, while below the current price. Key support lies at $5 to $5.15, with resistance at $5.58 to $5.75 as the next hurdle. Volume and money flow. Volume trends are strong, with on-balance volume, OBV, at 28.51 million, reflecting accumulation. The Money Flow Index, MFI, at 45.87 suggests balanced buying pressure, down from a high of 97.47 on June 5. The Chaikin oscillator at 786,032 on July 9 indicates renewed buying interest after a June decline. Sustained volume, like the 4.36 million shares on July 9, is critical for breaking resistance at $5.75. Stochastic and other oscillators. The 5-day stochastic K is at 68.21, with stochastic D at 67.48, showing bullish momentum. The Williams percent R at -6.25 is near overbought, suggesting a possible pullback. The ultimate oscillator at 56.96 indicates steady momentum. The CCI at 80.78 is elevated, reinforcing the potential for a near-term dip to the $5 to $5.15 support zone. Interesting insight. Here's a fascinating tidbit. The June 3 volume surge of 5.83 million shares, with a close at $5.39, marked a breakout above the 50-day SMA, followed by a peak at $5.98 on June 10. Despite a sharp 15.79 million share sell-off on June 27, dropping to $5.03, Atyr quickly recovered to $5.53 by July 9. The OBV at 28.51 million and a run-up at 24.0 suggest institutional accumulation, but the Williams percent are at -6.25 and CCI at 80.78 hint at a short-term overbought condition. A pullback to $5 could be a prime entry point. Conclusion: Atyr's uptrend is supported by strong moving averages and volume, but indicators like CCI, Williams percent R, and a negative MACD histogram suggest a potential pullback to $5 to $5.15. This could be a buying opportunity for swing traders, while long-term investors can remain bullish if support holds. Watch for a break above $5.75 with high volume to confirm further upside. Always use stop losses to manage risk. Call to action. What's your take on Atyr's rally? Are you buying the dip or waiting for a breakout? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stock analysis. Your support empowers girls' education. Thanks for watching and trade smart.